Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Let's quickly look at the analysis of Nifty. This is the 30-minute chart for Nifty futures. And since if you see, since the start of January or late December, we have been just trading in a range. For around 1 month or so, we have been just trading in a range on indices. Mostly it is Nifty or Bank Nifty. The point is the wide range which we are getting here is this from 18,380 on the futures on the upside to 17,800 on the downside. Now if you see, whenever we are trading in a range, the extremes, the extremes of that range are never to be marked for trading, because while moving in a range or consolidation, the prices will be getting, you know, breakout failures. This always happens. I mean, if you see, this is the range which I have marked. You can also increase this range to here. Now this is the extreme. If you see, you might be getting question that why I have not marked the very extreme, this or this point, or on the lower side this low or this low. Because if you see, in a range or a consolidation, prices will be just giving a blip. You see, it will be giving a blip and it will be turning. If you see, this point is a support. This point it is support. Now it became a resistance. Here also, if you see, a support, resistance, again support, resistance. You see, resistance, or you say, you can call demand or supply like that. Here also it was thrown downwards. Here also it was thrown downwards. So if you see, these are the points where most of the interest lies. You see, so in that case, this will be the level will be very crucial on the upside, and this will be the level, you can say it is 17,900 to 17,950. Now, because why I'm saying this, because it has fallen a deep slice. You see, now I'm not expecting that it will be continuing further. It may happen, of course it may happen. Market is something we do not, you know, go on our command or something like that. But if this range is to continue, mark my point, you see, if this range is to continue, then this particular extreme will be getting a breakout failure. It has tried to break it, you see, it has tried to go down, but after, what was this candle? After 11:15 or 12:15, this price action was not able to go down. This low which was made in the first half of the day, it was not broken entire day. Prices were just lingering around here. So in case this low is to be supported or is getting hold, then we will be getting something like this. Now if you remember, you would have seen multiple people just saying around that it is forming an inverse head and shoulder or something like that, so it should break out. But if you consider the entire logic of a consolidation, it is not a small consolidation, it is more than a month almost. So if this is to be respected, and of course we are having an event called budget, before budget, I'm not seeing that it will be breaking this consolidation. If it was having a pre-budget rally, something like that, then the range wouldn't be existing. It would have already gone into some trending phase, either up or down, doesn't matter. But if it is already forming a range, then I think this range should be respected going forward, and it should start moving up toward the other extreme. In case there is some bad news or there is something we don't know, there might be a possibility that we are going down. But now the new shorts should only be initiated below this low, which is 17,820. You see, 30-40 points here and there. You should wait here, and if it is breaking this low confidently and you get a pullback and then again it is going down, that will be your entry point. Now, we might be saying that if it gives a pullback here after moving some 40-50 points, then also it is fine. You get a pivot, put a stop loss around here. If this is going to give a big movement, then it is quite a possibility that it will be giving some extended move and then it will be giving a small pivot, then going in the same direction. So just wait for this low to be broken to the downside, then only initiate short trades. Now, what about the long trades? Long trades can again be initiated here. You see, if we are getting something like this, on Monday, this high is getting broken, which is 17,952. If 17,952 on future chart is getting broken, mind you, this is current month, so you can replicate the same scenario. It is just for illustration purpose, but I think it will be getting expired today, so it won't be available going forward. So you can replicate the same on nifty February futures or the spot chart. So if it goes above this pivot, then I think you should start building long position with smaller stop losses. This will be your stop loss, and you can initiate your long positions here, because if it is going to again go back into the range, then it will be your nice trade like this. So these are the scenarios which I just wanted to discuss on nifty. I haven't selected too much stocks because the overall market is very volatile. So I have couple of stocks which I would like to talk about. One is HL. If you come to the 15-minute chart, you see, I think while correction, these were the swings which were going down. Now it has just broken above this. So I think it is again back into the up move. So it will be good to buy around, what is this? 2527.5, keeping the stop loss around this low, whatever it is, 2517. It will be a very small stop loss, and once it starts moving up, because if nifty or overall market is going to give a retracement in the opposite direction or a pullback, then these kind of stocks which have fallen the least will be the first stock which will be moving upward. So this is one of that kind. Another one is this TCS. Buy should be initiated around 3435.5, keeping a stop loss of 3422.5. Because when market is falling, IT pack is showing some strength, and in that TCS is a reliable place. So you see, these are just the two stocks which I just wanted to discuss and show you the pattern or trade setup what they are presenting. So tomorrow will be a holiday on account of 26th January, and this is a truncated week. Sorry, just fumbling. So we will be getting a single day on Friday. So these will be the stocks which we should just keep on radar. And as I trade only Nifty, so I just presented my views on Nifty. If you like the content, please share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe it, so that you will be getting the benefit of analysis which we are just posting on the channel, which is free. Till then, guys, thank you very much for watching.